Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a ColourPop haul video. So if you guys didn't know, I went to US in February this year, and I bought like a shit ton of makeup for myself, and I just went all out. I didn't give a shit, so I was just like, if I like it, I'll buy it without thinking. But yeah, so I bought a lot of makeup. And I'm gonna do a whole video about it. And do remember that this is in no way I'm trying to brag or show off in any form. I'm just doing this for fun because I like watching makeup haul videos. So I thought I'll make my own makeup haul videos, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna start off with ColourPop. ColourPop eyeshadows, and I also bought their lip glosses and one highlighter. And also to keep in reminder, this is the first makeup US haul. No way, this is the first US makeup haul. There will be a lot more coming because I'm just gonna film them in one go, but I'm gonna like edit them out in different videos, and I'm gonna post them up in different times because that's how it works, and that's the easiest that I can find. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, anyway, so first off, we're gonna start off with the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I actually bought 9 Super Shock eyeshadows, so I'm gonna do the swatches on my hands, and then I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I'm gonna zoom in, and yeah. So the first color that I'm gonna start off is called Off the Grid. Glitter Super Shock shadow in the shade Off the Grid. And it looks like that. It's so cool. It's got a mix of gold and silver glitter in it. This is a satin eyeshadow. It's in the shade Bubbly. It is another Super Shock eyeshadows. You know what? I'm gonna stop saying these are Super Shock eyeshadows because they are, and I'm not gonna keep on saying it because it's really lame and I'm really tired of saying that. So I'm just gonna say, like, if it's glitter, satin, matte, ultra glitter, like, I'm gonna say that, and the shade. So this is the shade Bubbly, and it's in the satin range. This is how it looks. It's really pretty. So the next eyeshadow that I have is called... It is called Moonwalk. It is ultra metallic. So it looks like this. I have had one of these before. It came in this pack that I ordered from ColourPop. So this is how it looks. It has like a brown, like a old, you know how the old brown looks? Like the color like that. That does not make sense. So it has like a brown undertone, which I really don't like, but I like the green because it gives me the vibe of an alien green. You know how aliens are green? Yeah. How it looks. It's got a green. It's not that visible on my hand, but here it is. It's like a really brown and green mixture, but it's got a lot of brown in it, more than it does have green in it. The next shadow that I have is called Lit Year. It looks like this. It's ultra glitter, and it's like in the shade of really dark green, but this is super soft and smooth. I mean, wow, it just glides. It's super creamy. So I'm gonna swatch that right here. Oh my god, my swatches are so bad today. They're really bad today. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't done this in a while. So it looks like that. The camera is not doing the justice at all, but I promise these are super glittery. The next one that I have is called Breaks. This is one of my favorite. I can tell by just looking at it. It's an ultra glitter eyeshadow. So I'm gonna swatch that. Even this is so creamy. I love how it's got purple undertones. I mean purple glitter in it. That was pretty. Look at that. Wow, you really can't see it because I smudged that up. Wow, that is really, really, really pretty. Can you see that? I'm having a very hard time today. It is in this shade m.a.c. This is another ultra glitter shadow. This kind of reminds me of Birthday Girl. Maybe because it's like really glittery. So this is how it looks. It really doesn't show a lot on my skin, on my hand because of my skin tone. But if you were a dark girl or like a little bit more like lighter than me, then it would be perfect. I'm not racist, okay? But that color will suit dark girls. A part of me wishes I was a little bit browner, cause like I'm kind of pale for an Indian. This one is called Sequin. This is another ultra glitter shadow. Ooh, that one just like came out of my hand. Wow. If you've never tried ColourPop, you should. This one is called Sequin and this is how it looks. Wow, that is banging, like literally. And the last Super Shock eyeshadow that I have is called DGAF. This is another ultra glitter shadow. This has gold glitter in it. So that is how this looks. It's the bottom one. It's so pretty. All the eyeshadows are super pretty. Look at that. This one is popping when I move my hand like this. So now that we're done with the Super Shock eyeshadows, I'm gonna show you guys the highlighter that I got. It is in the shade Wisp. So it's in the shade Wisp and it's pearlized. So I'm gonna swatch that and show you guys how this looks. It is super pretty as well. It's got really, really, really tiny glitters in it. That's like gold, but you really can't see it. But this is something that you need to have. You know what? I'm actually gonna try this on my face right now because I'm really curious. It is, look at that. I mean, seriously, look at it. It looks like sand, but it's not. So I'm gonna zoom into my cheeks and then show you guys how it looks. So you need your hands, I mean your fingers, to just like I'm gonna put more over here. I mean, you can never go wrong with highlighting. Wow, I like this. It's like this natural highlight that you really can't see. I mean, you can, but like you know how you highlight and stuff and it looks very obvious. Oop. And it looks very obvious that you're like, you highlighted your face and it's like a lot. But this one, look at that. I like this. So that was the highlight. So while we're at like the eye products, I also got the Supernova shadow. I got 3 of them This one is called Mothership, and then this one is called of Woe, and this one is called Moonlit. Yeah, so these are the eyeshadows that I have. I will not be swatching these because these are amazing. I already know, because I've tried this one on my niece. I've tried it on her and she loved it. So did I, and everyone else did. But I'm gonna save these for first impressions because I haven't used them on myself. So the last thing that I have is their lip glosses. This is the Ultra Matte Lip. Yeah, this one is the Ultra Matte Lip. It's in the shade Dazzled, or is it Bedazzled? This one is called November. This is a Ultra Satin Lip. So it looks like this. Can you see that really well? And then the last one that I have is another Ultra Setting Lip. But this one is from the Kathleen Lights collaboration with ColourPop. I love Kathleen, and when I saw this, I was just like, you know what? I need this. So this is it to the ColourPop haul. I know it's super long because I was all into it, giving it all the information and how I feel about it. So yeah. So this is it to the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.